Hello, everybody. My name is Ute Ackermann Boeres, and I'm an IB History and Theory of Knowledge teacher at the AIC. Today, I will introduce you to the IB Diploma Program History course. I will briefly explain what DP History is, how the course is structured, and how students are assessed, and why history is such a valuable subject for both university and life beyond school. DP History is a dynamic and interpretative discipline. Rather than memorizing facts and dates, students learn to think historically. This means asking critical questions, analyzing evidence, and understanding that the past can be interpreted in different ways. Students explore multiple perspectives to learn to engage with complexity, debate, and uncertainty. Historical inquiry sits at the center of the course. Learning is student-centered and focused on meaning-making. Students work with historical context, key concepts, content knowledge, and skills together. This approach encourages independent thinking, intellectual curiosity, and deeper understanding rather than surface learning. Students engage with history through several inquiry contexts. Paper 1 is a focused study where students analyze and evaluate historical sources. Paper 2 is a thematic study where students write analytical essays across different case studies and time periods. At higher level only, students also complete a regional study in Paper 3, allowing for deeper, more specialized historical analysis. All students complete a historical investigation known as the internal assessment, which is an independent research project. The assessment structure reflects the skills students develop. At standard level, Paper 1 counts for 30%, Paper 2 for 40%, and the internal assessment for 30%. At higher level, Paper 1 counts for 20%, Paper 2 for 25%, Paper 3 for 35%, and the internal assessment for 20%. This balance ensures that students are assessed through source work, essays, and independent research. Throughout the course, students use key historical concepts to frame their thinking. These include cause and consequence, continuity and change, perspectives, and significance. These concepts help students to move beyond simply describing events to analyzing why events happened, how they changed over time, and why they still matter today. DP History develops a wide range of transferable skills. Students strengthen critical thinking and interpretation, learn how to evaluate evidence and perspectives, develop research and inquiry skills, and construct clear, well-supported historical arguments. These skills are essential for success in higher education. Studying history strengthens academic writing and develops strong analytical and evaluative thinking. It encourages intercultural understanding by engaging with different societies and viewpoints, and it prepares students very effectively for university-level study, particularly essay-based and analytical subjects. In the internal assessment, students choose a historical question that generally interests them. They investigate it using selected sources, analyze and synthesize evidence, and produce a focused and meaningful historical argument. This process builds independence, confidence, and academic integrity. History develops critical and analytical thinking, enhances communication and argumentation skills, and builds global awareness. It is highly valued by university for courses such as law, politics, international relations, journalism, and education. Most importantly, it provides lifelong skills, evaluating evidence, understanding change, and making informed decisions in a complex world. In summary, DP History at AISC prepares students to be thoughtful, informed, and engaged global citizens. It combines strong academic foundations with essential life skills. Thank you for listening.